Hi guys, Andrew from Castleknock Hotel again. Hope everyone's doing okay. Today I'm going to make a classic cocktail called French Martini. Just a week on we reopened, so we've been very busy with cocktails. So today I'm going to show you how to do this classic. So first things first, we got a coupe glass, nice and chilled, and we're going to pour about 60 ml of vodka into our cocktail shaker. So we got here ice first, 3/4 of the way up, Absolut Vodka. Next up, we have a raspberry flavoured liqueur called Chambord. We'll pour about 35 ml of Chambord into this. With some pre-made lime juice. And finish it off, we got some pineapple juice. Just 75 ml of pineapple juice. Now, with our busting glass, 3 times down. Now, we just strain this into our nice coupe glass. Again, you can see the nice foamy texture there. That's all coming from the pineapple juice. I like that. Cheers guys, hope to see you again this weekend.